At Magellan Jets, we believe every journey is personal, and I completely believe that with your experience in wine. My name is Jesse Rodriguez. I am the sommelier for Magellan Jets. I'm excited to bring 3 distinctive offerings to Magellan Jets clients. The first is a journey on location to the Napa Valley. A journey above the vines at 40,000 feet. Or a journey to your own home and expanding on your personal wine collection. So it doesn't matter where you are in your wine journey. I love working with everyone from the beginner to the novice to the collector. If you're into food, if you're into wine, and if you're into travel, this opportunity is meant for you.